Good morning, amazing pupils. How are you doing today? Good to know you're fine. Our topic for today is the nervous system. Can we say that together? The nervous system. When you hear the nervous system, what comes to your mind? Now, I know there are some of you when you are in your sitting room and mommy is in the kitchen cooking. You will not know. You just start perceiving that aroma, the aroma of the chicken right from where you are. What makes you perceive that aroma? It's because your nervous system is at work. Your nervous system is functioning. Your brain is functioning. You can perceive the aroma of that food. So we are going to be talking about the nervous system today. I believe you will understand it better. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the nervous system, explain the functions of each part of the brain. You're supposed to be able to say the functions of each part of the brain. Now, what is the nervous system? The nervous system is the network of organs and nerves that send signals throughout the body. It gives us information about the whole world, about the world outside our body. It gives us information about everything that is happening outside our body. Can you see? It's like network. Okay, a network of organs. That's nervous system. Okay, you can see the brain there. Yes, it's the network of organs. So our nervous system controls everything we do, including breathing, smelling things, whatever, and movement. So whatever you hear, whatever you see, whatever you touch, whatever you taste, okay, that it's really is a signal. That's a stimulus. Stimulus is anything that excites the body. Okay, anything that excites the body is called stimulus. And what your body does after receiving a stimulus is called response. So it is the sense organs that helps to the body to sense, to perceive, to receive a stimulus. So we have 5 sense organs. Do you still remember? Mention them. The eyes, yes. The nose, the tongue, yes. The skin. What again? And the hair. Fantastic. Clap yourself. So once the sense organ receives information and it receives a stimulus, it sends the message to the brain. So the brain sends a message back to tell how to respond. So we can see, we can hear, we can smell things almost instantly because our brain is working. Our brain is at work. So when the brain is not functioning, you won't be able to respond to things quickly. You won't be able to respond to things at the right time. So there are 2 main parts of the nervous system, which are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. How many parts of the nervous system do we have? 2, which are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, we have the peripheral nervous system. It consists of the sensory nerves and the motor nerves. The sensory nerves receives information from the sense organs and takes the information to the brain, while the motor nerves takes the information from the brain. The brain will send the information to other parts of the body. Now let's talk about the brain. There are three main parts of the brain. Okay, how many parts of the brain majorly do we have? There are three: the cerebellum, the cerebrum, and the brain stem. It's also be called medulla oblongata. Okay, so the cerebellum is the biggest part. Okay, that's the biggest part of the brain. It helps to maintain balance. It is because of the cerebellum in our body that you can stand upright, you can walk without falling. The cerebellum helps to control balance, helps to maintain balance. And there are two main parts of the cerebellum, the left and the right. Okay, the right part helps to think about abstract things like the shape and color. It is your cerebellum that will tell you the color of a particular thing, to tell you the shape also. And also we have the left part. The left part, okay, helps in analysis, to help you in mathematics and speech. So the cerebrum helps to remember things. It is your cerebrum that will allow you to remember whatever you are being taught. It helps in reasoning, it helps to initiate movement also, vision, hearing, judgment, problem solving, emotion, listening, learning. Now we have the last one, that's the brain stem. You call it the medulla. It links the brain to the spinal cord and the rest of the body. So the brain stem controls breathing and digestion of food. It controls breathing and digestion of food. Okay, so what is the function of the cerebellum? Yeah, it helps to maintain balance. What's the function of the cerebrum? Good, it helps to remember things. What's the function of the brain stem? It controls breathing and digestion of food. Clap yourself. Very good. Note, all nerves are made up of neurons, and there are three main parts of the neuron. We have the nucleus, the dendrite, and the axon. The nucleus controls memory. That's the center, you can see it there. The dendrite takes messages to the cell body, while the axon takes messages away from the cell body. Don't forget that nerves are made up of neurons. Remember, the brain is made up of three parts: the cerebellum, cerebrum, and the medulla oblongata. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. Alright, ensure you take good care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye.